withstand, which is going to be great for laying out by the pool. Let's see what's all included. All right, I got everything unboxed, and I like how they got everything labeled for easy installation. That was very easy to put together. It didn't take but a few minutes. Now let's get to laying in it. So on the sides, it's got a space for storage. And the material on this is super comfortable. I really like that material, and it'll last a long time, even in the sun. These are also adjustable. You can change the height on these. I highly recommend you check these hammocks out. These are great for laying out by the pool or just even in your backyard. My entire family enjoys these. Now let me get back to relaxing.